Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by Ennis and also Antoinette Ennis. And they're here to talk to us about unity in the city. The event.
This is the third staging.
The third staging.
Yes. For those who haven't experienced it yet,
tell
us
about this gospel. Let me tell you, man. Jamaica Tourist Board and the Best Dressed Chicken together have really partnered with us, Unity in the City, to make this a transforming lives event.
Hallelujah.
For the third time. That's grown. From the first day it was the capacity of
we sold out.
Awesome.
The first year and then second year we
What
moved.
makes the show so different though? What makes this show set apart from every other show there is?
I think it's the way we present it. You know, we present gospel at an excellent level, and we try to cater to persons from all segments of society.
Yes.
So you have
Hold your position. I mean, keep going.
Everybody's welcome. But it's the experience.
The experience you get at Unity in the City is like no other. You understand? So the worship is like no other.
Yes.
The
acts, the performers.
It's like no.
Listen, it's since last year they've been waiting on Tasha Cobbs Leonard, and this year, no doubt, she's confirmed she's going to be here. So all those Tasha Cobbs fans, yes.
Yeah, I saw somebody I was walking with somebody and they saw the billboard. And
billboard.
Like, oh, I want to see Tasha.
Yes.
Can you get me a ticket? I said, never call IT.
Tell us about the other performers on the video.
You have Tasha Cobbs, Fred Hammond, Travis Green. Those are our international lineup. And then locally we have Marianne Hall, we have Rhoda Isabella, and we have Rondell Positive.
Rondell Positive!
And it's hosted by IT.
Yes.
And
of course, Aline.
Yes, Aline could have worked alone by the MC. IT never did.
I say, advertise himself.
No, me, but that's Aline.
It's a grand experience, and I look forward to it every single year because of the experience. You can't come there and leave the same way. So it's ministry. It's a wonderful premium kind of experience, and it's a national stadium because I want to incorporate every single day.
So, segue into that. We're talking about hosts. We're talking about Aline. We're talking about IT. As the host, you're not a gospel artist.
No.
What can people expect from you?
My job is to take them through the experiences because I enjoy this. As a Christian man now to come at these events and I can praise my Lord freely and envelop that space comfortably. So I enjoy that taking. I'm particularly because most people, they are used to me as a comedian. They get to see a potpourri, a mixture of that comedic element with gospel, with serious worship.
Oh, I thought when you said mixture, I thought you were going to sing too. That would have been a joke.
We can't sing half key good enough. As a matter of fact, I don't want to give away anything, but there's a thing I'll go on with me and Alain, but listen, you have to come to the show.
You are Hilda.
Hey, hold on. You know you reach a certain level of excellence when you start using words like potpourri.
Yes.
Just learn yourself.
Let's skip right over that.
Wait till you ever try to spell that word. I don't know normal something there.
Po.
Spell po.
No, but that's me. I am Po. That's about it.
No, but it's a serious thing, but big up. And I like the way you title it to the ultimate gospel experience.
The ultimate gospel experience.
It is indeed.
That's what it is.
And person going to ask, how can I get in? Tickets, how much? Where can I get tickets?
All right, so you can get your tickets at Fontana Pharmacy, island-wide.
Right.
York Pharmacy, Genius Pharmacies in Portmore. You can also get tickets at Great House Pharmacy in Ocho Rios. You can get at La Vega in Spanish Town.
And online.
And online at SpurOpen.com. Yes.
Say that again? So the website
Spur Open.
Spur.
SPURROPEN. A good thing we can't spell it.
Hey. You know, say, I can study.
So if I'm going to spell it,
everything, spell unity.
Unity.
Like we never consult, But I'm particularly want to emphasize that we have a team camp this year, Unity Team Camp, which is important because it transforms the lives of at-risk youths, We're going to take them in an experience that is not common to their own experience. So we'll take them to an all-inclusive hotel at the North Coast. About 100 of them?
Yes, we're doing about 100 of them. So we're taking them to the Holiday Inn for 5 days and really, to give them something that they're not
I think that will be a great. I'm going to enjoy the experience.
Yes.
Yes.
Definitely don't qualify.
Yeah, but that is very important to us, you know, to ensure that we're able to execute that.
Yeah.
Tell us though where we can find you on social media.
At IT Ellis. All right, it's a unity. If you take off the UN, they end up with IT.
Hey, you really practice for that thing, you know?
You know, the man had a writing session just for that show.
You practice like myself. What me can say?
IT Ellis.
Where's going to be the show?
Yeah.
When?
All right, so it's at the National Stadium Saturday. Gates open from 3 o'clock, and please to come out early, you know, because there's usually a long line, so come out early. And the show starts 6 p.m. sharp. You can find us online at Unity in the City Experience.
Yes.
On Instagram.
At Unity in the City Experience, spelled out.
I don't want to say that I'm ungrateful.
Yes.
I would like to publicly say thank you
Yes.
for the tickets that you brought.
You know.
That's why I said everybody is welcome. You know. The pastors and the Rastafarian community is all about unity.
Right.
So everybody is welcome at the event. And there are several different positions inside the stadium for people to hold when they
come. You know, we have the bleachers area.
The bleachers here, the grandstand.
The grandstand.
And of course, you have the VIP.
The VIP and we have the diamond.
We're going to be boasting in God. Alain, yes, I did it. Yeah.
That's it. No, thanks for tuning in. Catch us back on Friday. I won't be here. I won't be here.
Traveling again.
I guess Nick is going to be here.
Oh, man. She look better than your dad. I don't lie. True. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in. Catch us back on Friday with much more buzz, vibe, chat, and mix. Later live.